recording the sewer line here at 13561 Roosevelt Way. What we're looking at here is the cast iron connection to the concrete. This is 13561, right? And we're jumping from cast iron here, you see cast iron, into concrete. We got a broken section of pipe at the bottom, which is now on the left side of the screen. That's what you're looking at, is a separated portion where it's broken. You can jump the camera over it, send the camera downstream, and we get down to the tie-in here at where the two houses connect, 13561 and 13561.5. This is the tie-in of the two pipes. As we run it down here, we got a little more sand and rocks that jet out of there from up at our hole. And that's probably where our trench is, right there, underneath the water right now. So we got a view of the concrete pipe up to the tie-in, and this is down where we dug, so we can't see anything right now because they haven't put a repair in the pipe yet. So pulling back out, that's the end of the recording.